Hello and welcome to Presentation Projects. Today we are going to learn the basics of Excel in this video. If you like my video then do subscribe so you never miss any notification of my video. So this is how the Excel 365 looks. Even if you are using any version of the Excel, it will be the basic the same. You can add a clipboard, font, alignment, numbers, styles, cell, editing and idea. Ideas also is a new one. So now let's enter a data in the cell. Let's check what first of all is a cell. A cell is an intersection of rows and columns. It can go up to 104, 10,48,576 and that can go up to XFP. So let's start entering the data. I can enter any data. It can be a number or a text. So I'm entering formula. A formula basically is an operation. Two numbers in the Excel. Here is how it works. 90 is equal to 90 plus 30. Enter. You can see it is 120. The good thing of the formula is that you can not only enter one-time data, but it will keep an eye on the cell you are using. If I change it to some other data, the data will automatically update. Whereas now if I keep it 90 is equal to 90 plus 30, it will be only 120. Any change in any background, the data will not change. So now let's start with the topic. Look at the charts. Here you can see I had added the data of fruits, its quantity and price per kg. I'm using the fruit and the quantity bar and click on this tab. You can see here the charts has come. You can use pie chart. It is how it will look. You can use different types of charts. Select it. Go to Insert tab. Under the Charts group, select the pie icon. It will insert a pie chart. So these are the different types of charts which you can use. So for now I am entering a 3D chart. You can edit the data with values, can remove and even the names and the color. Orange for this. Different color patches you can use. So recording macros. Recording macros is very easy to do. You first need a tab called Developer. Under the Developer you have a record macro option. Click on it. Give the macro name. For now I'm just giving the example recording and click on one of the key. Press P. You can use any key for it. You can even use Shift plus P. It will be Control, Shift and P key together. But I'm using it normally without Shift key. This new workbook, this workbook or personal macro workbook. You can create a book for your macros. It is like a library where you can store it. For now I'm using this workbook. You can give a description of it so you don't forget what it is for. You can OK. It won't be able to record the things which you are doing in it. It only focuses on one cell. So fill color, add a color, bold, italics and make it big. And when it's over, you can click on this, click to stop, or go to the developer and click on stop recording and click on the same key for using it again. Let me show you again now. According to macro, sheet 2 can see quickly macro 2 plus O. You might have learned now how to do it. If you enter the data, it will come in that letter. Now let's go to the next one, which is data validation. The data validation comes under target. Now let's go to the next one, which is a pivot table. I'm using the same one, which is the accruals quantity and price. Go to the insert tab, click on pivot table, existing workbook, click on location. Okay. Now it has appeared over here. You can see this pivot table analysis. Let's put it under the rows and the columns. Just click and get the values. You can see how it is. It will come like this over here. So thank you for watching this video. This video gives you information about the basics of Excel, which is the primary startup, how to add data, and the formulas, charts, recording macros, and pivot table. Thanks for watching this video.